How to create a waitlist landing page in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the steps needed to create one without any apps. I mean, except for one really, just to add the actual form in. But other than that, we're just going to create the landing page ourselves using Shopify. So first, the app that I was referring to that you need to install is going to be the Shopify Forms app. So just go to apps, click on all recommended apps, and just go to your Shopify app store. And if you search up forms, you should be able to find it right away. It's going to be this one, Shopify Forms. Just go in and click on install, and that's all you need to do. So now that you have that ready to go, what we want to do is just go to the online store section, click on pages, and we want to simply create a new page on the top right corner. Now I'm going to guide you through the steps needed, and all that's left for you to do is just use your imagination and creativity to create the best landing page ever, because I'm not really going to do much when it comes to design. I'm just going to show you the idea behind it and how it's going to work. So click on add page, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it waitlist test, and I'm just going to click on save from the top right. And in my case, I'm just going to leave it as visible anyway, so no one's going to actually see it, so it's fine. I'm just going to click on save. And now all we need to do is just go to our online store and click on edit theme. From here, to actually pull up the page, you simply just want to click on the top and search up the name of the page. It should show up right away, so just go and click on it. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. This is going to be the title. Maybe the text for you is going to be on the left. Anyway, you can feel free to adjust that, but I highly recommend that you just remove this altogether or just hide it, because I'm not going to use the title as the first thing people see. So I'm just going to hide it. Or actually, first, let's just go and create a template for it so it's not going to add anything for the rest of the pages on our Shopify. So to do that, we simply just want to click on the top again, go to pages and create template. And I'm just going to name it again, waitlist. And it's going to be based on the default page. I'm just going to click on create template. So now we're just going to basically adjust this page, and this is going to apply only to the waitlist page alone without having it to affect any other pages. So from here, I'm just going to again remove this completely. I'm just going to hide it like so. And we're going to begin by clicking on add section, and we can feel free to begin with the actual sign up process, because it's going to be the first thing people see. That's what we need to have on a waitlist landing page. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find forms, click on email sign up, and then from here you can basically adjust every single element in here, including the text, what you want to actually say in it, and also you can feel free to just click on the full section to change the background or even add an image background if you want. You can also increase the padding for it. So if you increase the gap, you can actually see how it's going to become longer. And you also have more padding options here that you can increase or decrease depending on what you actually want. So feel free to adjust the text as you like. And then what you want to do is add another section probably, and add some sort of, images of what people are going to be waiting for. If it's a product, if it's whatever it may be, you can just feel free to add, for example, a slideshow and a little bit of text on top of that. For example, a slideshow, we can just click on the slideshow option and adjust each slide, showing more and more images of the product or whatever it may be. Just make sure you remove any shop now buttons. We don't really need those. So make sure that these are not a thing. Other than that, you're free to really adjust it to your liking. So again, I'm not going to do much with design here. So I'm just going to click on the top right corner. And now you can see that this is assigned to 0 pages. So we simply just want to exit, go to online store, go to pages, and just click on our waitlist test. Click on template and click on waitlist, or whichever name you gave it, the actual template, and click on save. And now if we actually view the page, it's going to look exactly as we left it. The only thing left for us to do is just add it in the menu. So just click on the menu in the editor and go to the menu here on the top, click on it, click on edit. And from here, you simply just want to click on add menu item, give it a name, People are going to see this name, so make sure it's the proper name for it. And link it to the page. So just click here, click on pages, and select the page we have just created. And that's all we need to do. Just make sure you save, and that's pretty much it. As you can see here on the top, we have the waitlist. If we click on it, people are going to be able to sign up here with their email address and actually become a part of the wait list. And that's pretty much it for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.